Amanda.
I'm gonna say that and welcome to our world. Okay. Monday, June. Okay, so my mom wanted a view of the house in the whole room, so I'm doing a whole little tour, and I go outside and I show her the view of the mountains, and my sister told me she started panicking and she's been trying to reach me, but I was getting ready to look at the video again because it looks like there's a UFO. Literally, like, it's a blue sky. There are no clouds here ever. I don't know if it's something about Palm Springs, but yeah, there's this white cloud. It seems like it's a cloud, not really. Okay, we're gonna insert the clip right now so you can see what I'm talking about, because I'm not making any sense right now. So insert clip now. Alright, am I the only one who thinks that looks like a UFO? I was showing it around to everybody. Do y'all think it looks like a UFO? I think so also. Alright, am I crazy? Because I was showing this video around and everybody thought it looked like a UFO, but not really taking it too seriously. I'm freaking out. I'm taking it seriously. I think it's a UFO. Is the world ending? I just leave in the comments below, like, what do you think that is? How can that be the only cloud, and the way it's moving just back and forth? I don't know, guys. I think I just accidentally spotted my first UFO.
She's smoking too much crack. The world is ending. So apparently it hardly ever rains in Palm Springs, but today we've been getting a little drizzle and we can hear thunder, and there was an earthquake in the morning. I think we're gonna die.
San Andreas fault, and there was an earthquake this morning. We gotta go.
Why would we do this? Hey guys, there was an earthquake this morning. Let's go to San Andreas fault.
Yeah.
I don't think Tony likes us very much.
Anyway, back to dying.
So where are these people?
I know all you want to do is go back to your hometown, New York, but you're gonna have to wait. Oh my gosh, it's John Lennon. Can I have your autograph?
Like, don't put me out on this video.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
Then put me in your video, but here's...
And I shot a dirt bike.
So fast. Out here in the wild. Here you guys go, the San Andreas Fault. Isn't that amazing?
The who?
San Andreas Fault.
We're on it. This is the San Andreas Fault.
That's why.
Oh.
There was an earthquake this morning. You're gonna make me die. Where are we?
San Andreas Fault.
Is it that?
I told you, like, green patch of grass.
Oh, wow. We've been stranded here for 5 days. I don't know if we're gonna make it. And just started losing his mind.
I don't know if we're gonna make it, y'all.
It's for dramatic effect. Can't you see Angel already lost his mind? As I was saying,
What's the thing? Don't know what's the thing.
I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh look, people. Alright guys, we made it.
Hello guys, we're out here testing cars. When I say we, I mean Tony. Look at the cars. Look at them. Wow. We are at the BMW. Oh yeah. Car go fast. Car go vroom vroom.
Get on my car.
Almost 26, and I still don't have a license.
Yeah.
So they don't have their license, so they couldn't do it. Mine for some reason didn't go through and the spots got filled, so we're just watching Tony enjoy his life out here in the wild. How did it feel?
Fucking amazing.
Hey guys, so we came to this little town called Idlewild, and right now we're in this little garden. As you can see, I have no idea.
But they also have boutiques. They have psychic readings, which we want to go check out because we couldn't get our palm reading at the pier.
Expensive though. Oh, at the pier, yeah.
Okay, yeah, there was another psychic reading, yeah. So, okay, this is the third one. I think it's a sign.
And when they get a palm tread.
I want a little tea leaf. I hope they have a tea leaf.
Yeah, me too. I've never done it, but I want to. But we'll just be vlogging everything that we do and any cool stuff that we see.
It's pretty cute. I don't know, like if you're stuck in a time capsule, it just looks. I like it.
So is this your first time? Important videos?
Oh yeah.
So this is your first time?
First time.
Virgin. So, what do you like about this place?
Mayor Max.
Huh?
Mayor Max.
She can talk about this Mayor Max.
All the time since yesterday.
I really think it's an animal. I don't think it's a real person.
I didn't think that you
I
were
kind of need some coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
There's
Down.
some here.
Oh, there's also a really nice ice cream place.
Really?
So good, yeah.
That's for later. And then George disappeared since we were in the garden.
What he always does.
George is a free spirit. He's gonna run away with a girl for 3 days. Oh my gosh! I never seen one in real life.
Y'all never seen a raccoon?
Not that small and cute. Yes. Okay, we finally found the mayor that Becky's been talking about.
Very cute. He loves the petting. Thank you. Oh, I know you want the ice cream. Here, I'll give you a treat instead. How about that, buddy?
Alright guys, my sister just went in for her psychic reading. We both bought the half-an-hour one just because, like we said before, we really like tarot and astrology and psychic readings and chakras, and we just think it's fascinating, and we just thought, why not? This is literally the third one that we see on this trip, so we just really went for it. But yeah, we'll let you know how it goes.
We're here to tell y'all how our psychic experience went.
As you can tell, and I switched my hair up.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
So if you see clips of the pink hair and purple hair, don't get confused. Like, this is afterwards. Like, we're already back home.
We've had readings before. This is like
Oh, yeah. Like, we had readings, like astrology, tarot,
numerology.
numerology, like the Spanish cards, like you name it, we done it. So we just
It's
love.
like a little fun thing, and like we really wanted to do it over there.
The one thing that was surprised us the most is she told me that we were probably twins, like in a past life, and no one has ever told us that. But
These people think we're crazy people.
yeah. But overall, I really liked it.
So it's really comforting, and like she kept calling me, "Oh, you're so darling." I was like, "Thanks." One thing she did tell me though was that I tend to daydream a lot, and I'm like, "Oh, I'm working on it." And she was like, "Yeah." So she's like, "You're very comforting, a very open feelings, and like you communicate a lot, but." You know, we have. She's like, "You're over here. We need to like drag you down to the ground a little bit." And I was like, "I know, I'm working on it." Cause like I had like these past few weeks when I'm at work, I catch myself daydreaming like too much, and I'm like, I have to live in the moment. Get out of your head. And that's what she said I need to do. That I need to stop living in my head, start living in the moment. And the people create memories.
It's true. She told me that I was very grounded and I was pretty balanced, but I was very hard on myself, which is true. And she said that I just need to stop and just get a little bit from my sister to learn to like laugh at yourself a little bit more, and that she needed to get a little bit from me and ground herself a little bit more. So we're just kind of like that balance scale.
We're like the yin and the yang.
But she was just saying that we were two souls that came together for a purpose, and there was a reason why she was my sister, and that she was happy that we were like starting this project together. Basically, she was just saying that we balanced each other out and we were gifts to each other.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You're welcome also.
But yeah, that was pretty much the overall view. I don't want to tell you guys all my secrets.
Maybe next time.
Hey guys, so Tony's gonna take us to like a secret waterfall. It's currently 116 degrees. Does he wanna kill us? I don't know. He spent $70 on umbrellas, so maybe not. We were supposed to wake up early, but we didn't, like always.
But you have to tell them why, like, because yesterday was such a very, it was a nice night. But tell them why.
Oh, yesterday we bonded. Yesterday we had a church.
And read her Bible.
So yesterday we were talking about our feelings.
Pretty much.
Everybody was crying with Becky. It was literally my sister and Becky.
No tear came, but it came close. She didn't cry. I didn't cry.
You did.
I didn't.
We either thought this trip was gonna pull us apart because we're gonna be together day and night for over 2 weeks. No, sorry.
Did I forget my jewel?
Wow, what a life.
Sponsored by.
I'm sorry. Alright, we either thought this trip was gonna push us apart, pretty much destroy us because we were gonna be together day and night for about 10 days, or bring us closer together. And actually, I think it brought us closer together.
Yeah, I made out with Yanta yesterday.
And you liked it. Get that? What did you say? He's kind of shy.
He's still thinking about it.
He said a lot with that.
Us. But yeah, we'll show you guys the secret waterfall. Oh my god, guys, we saw some goats. Where are my Capricorn babies? Hello? Oh, they're right there. They're beautiful.
I'm ready.
She ready to go to your funeral.
There was another one over here.
What was that? Let's go. Vicky, I really don't want to die.
Huh?
I really don't want to
I
die.
don't want to die either. I'm wearing jeans while we're hiking. I just didn't come prepared for this.
We didn't know we were going to come hiking, guys. I just happened to have this.
Archie, sister.
You guys look so cute with your pink umbrellas. Yes, you too.
Alright guys, we're really out here in the wild.
For real this time.
I will never not say that.
What?
I said I will never not say that.
Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna get my umbrella out.
Hey guys,
We're dying. I thought I was gonna pass out.
but we made it.
Only us decide to come out and hike at 1 p.m. when it's 116 degrees out.
But we had umbrellas, so
But let us show you the secret waterfall. Look at that. She's naked! He's naked!
are you gonna get naked?
I didn't care.
No, I'm wearing a dress. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, pick it up. Maybe like pick it up to my underwear.
Oh, cute!
Good.
It's a bat.
Oh.
It's a bat?
Come to me.
Hey, imagine it comes to me.
Just quick it. Girl, you quick it. Let me fix you.
Nice, actually. Sotheby's is one of like the most expensive real estate.
Here?
No, but it's a mock. It's a.
Oh,
It's a mock.
That's fun.
So how does this make you feel?
a little confused. Magic room. Alright guys, let's go in.
Whoa. This is crazy.
It's really nice. Look at these. We stopped because we saw this. Love me. Look at this. I don't know why, but this one has to be my favorite. And then you go in here and you see little booties. This one's pretty funny. On loan. And then you go into this plunger room. Somebody forgot their glasses, but what you gonna do?
Hey guys, we're back home.
Sadly.
Yeah. My sister has some vacation blues. I'm okay though, but she's dying a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Okay, so overall it's a great trip, guys, and we hope you enjoyed this video.
We love you guys.
So much.
I'm talking strictly to my friends.
We love you. Because they're the only ones that are subscribed.
But yeah, guys, we hope you enjoy this. It's probably gonna be like meshed up videos, no order.
Just what we like, but in the end, we just really hope you guys enjoy it.
Yeah.
We can look back on them when we're old and be like, who were these people?
Yeah. We don't even know them. But I still remember that ass.
You guys don't know what I'm talking about.
Okay, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Comment down below. Let us know what you want to see next.
Notification bell.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. The bell. Please hit the bell.
BB over.
And BB out.